Hi, and welcome to another tutorial in voice assistant series. In case you haven't watched the last tutorial, please watch it and then continue watching. Alright, now let's jump in and get started. Next, we will create a function to take in some text and check if the wake word was given in that text. For this program, I created a wake word assistant. Similar to Google's Assistant's wake word, OK Google, and Amazon's Alexa. If the wake word was detected from the text, then the function will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. So now let's create a function to check for the wake word. So def call, and here let's pass a parameter called text. In the next line, let's define a variable to store the wake word. Let's call this action underscore call. So action underscore call equals assistant. So we are naming it assistant. You can give it any name. In the next line, type text equals text.lower. Here we are converting the text to lowercase. Next, let's write an if statement to check if the user's command or text contains the wake word. So if action underscore call in text return true. Now we need to return false if the wake word is not present. So return false. Now I will create a function to return today's date as a string. For example, it will return today is Tuesday, November the 10th. If today was indeed Tuesday, November the 10th. Let's call this function today underscore date. So now we need to import two modules. So the first module is called the DateTime module. It is a module that is used to show date and time. This module is built into Python, so we don't need to install it. And the second module we need to import is the calendar module. This module allows us to output calendars and provides additional useful functions related to the calendar. This module is also built into Python, so we don't need to install it. From the top, type import datetime, and in the next line, import calendar. Now let's create the today underscore date function. So def today underscore date. In the next line, let's define a variable and set it to datetime.now. This will give you the year, month, date, and hours, minutes, and seconds. Now let's create another variable called date underscore now and set it to datetime.today. This will give you the present date and time. Now let's create a variable called week underscore now and set it to calendar.day underscore name. Now add square brackets, and inside the square brackets type date underscore now dot weekday followed by parentheses. This will give us the day of the week. Now let's define another variable called month underscore now and set it to now.month. This will return the month. In the next line, day underscore now equals now.day. This will give us the current date. In the next line, let's define a list of months. So month equals square brackets, and inside the square brackets type all the months. Now let's define another list called ordinals. So ordinals equals square brackets, and inside the square brackets type all the dates with their ordinals. Now let's return. So return F, and inside the quotations today is. Now add flower brackets and type week underscore now. Add a comma. Again add flower brackets and type month. Now add square brackets, and inside the square brackets type month underscore now minus 1. Now type the. Again add flower brackets, and now add square brackets. Now type day underscore now minus 1. We are doing this because in Python the month starts from 0 and not from 1. Next, we will create a function that takes in text and returns a random greeting response as text to the user. If the user set a greeting input like hi, for example, the function will return some random greeting like hello. This function will be called say underscore hello. For this, we need a module called random, which we have seen before. So on the top, import random. Now def say underscore hello. In the next line, let's define a list to store the greeting input. So assuming these will be the input, greet equals inside the square brackets Hi, hey, hola, greetings, what's up, hello, howdy, what's good, hey there. Now let's create a list of greetings for the user. So let's create a variable and call it response. So response equals, and now copy this list and paste it here. Now let's write a for loop. So for word in text dot split, we use the split method to convert a string to a list of individual words. In the next line, let's write an if statement. So if word dot lower in greet return random dot choice response plus at quotations dot if no greeting was detected, return an empty string. So return quotations. So that is it for this tutorial. Please support my hard work by liking this video and sharing it with others. Also leave a comment letting me know what more do you want to learn in this voice assistant series. Also subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you soon.